Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. Watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on the starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new. Just us two. I'll follow you to somewhere new, somewhere new. I call to the mountains, sitting across the bay. Morning comes always steadier than yesterday. I take the stillness as a sign to write a song about things we've done and the things still to come. Flowers in the planting, coloring in the view. Red sunburns late Sunday afternoon. Talking for hours about places we have gone, things we've done, and the things still to come.